Well, 6:05 a.m. on Sunday morning, I was supposed to left from Memphis late last night. I stopped in one of them old highway places, and because of it, I sleep in Tarrant County Jail tonight. Well, I started out the night with good intentions, but I ended up getting sideways drinking wine. Now the last thing I remember, we were roaring, and then something hit my head and knocked me from my conscious mind. I'm a victim of life's circumstances. I was raised around bar rooms, Friday night dances, singing them old country songs. Yeah, half the time ending up someplace I don't belong. I said, "Jailer, hey, what you all got me charged with?" He looked at me and he halfway closed one eye. He said, "You mean to say you don't remember carving up some honky with that bone-handled knife?" I'm a victim of life's circumstances. I was raised around bar rooms, Friday night dances, singing them old country songs. Yeah, half the time ending up someplace I don't belong. Yeah, I'm a victim of life's circumstances. I was raised around bar rooms and Friday night dances, singing those old country songs. Half the time, winding up someplace I don't belong. Yeah, half the time I'm winding up someplace I don't belong.
Oh, are we back?
Paul, you know, for me, I was looking at you thinking you were on bass, and then you started, and
I usually am.
I know you are, but when I took that next solo, I thought, wait a minute, in the middle of my solo, I'm thinking Paul's supposed to be playing the solo. So when I finished, you did get your solo. It sounded great.
Thank you. I like going after you.
Oh, I love it. I mean, listen, people all over this town are going after me. You're kicking my butt too. No, we're having fun. Dan, man, thank you. You know, Paul was going to play guitar this week, we decided, so I called my buddy Dan. He said, "I'll come play bass," so we got it. And of course, Jimmy on steel. How you doing, Jimmy? How's Carrie doing? We're going to get her. We'll get her back up here in the next few weeks. We'll find a spot for her. And John, you doing good?
Yeah, man.
How's Eric Brennan doing? You guys having fun?
I think so.
That's a good band.
I know. Okay, thanks. Yeah.
Eric Brennan likes original material. Does a good job. And so, Dan, you're doing good? Yeah. Okay, don't say too much, please. I mean, it's my show, so don't talk too much. Okay.
Dan likes to dominate
Dan
things and just kind of
takes
take
over.
over.
You know, I know. I can't figure it out. Now, we have a special fun kind of a guest artist this week. It was a last minute thing, but when I heard he was coming, I got excited. And we got a little story behind something he built for his guitar that I'll explain when he gets up here. And that's Roy
Simonson.
Simonson.
My
yes,
friend.
I know him as Roy. He used to come down to the Viva Cantina and other places and follow us around and play the blues jam with us, with Pete Anderson and me and Eric Garcia, all the guys, all the blues guys. So Roy's been around for a while. Bart came in the house, say hello, thank you, Bart. You were the 2 weeks ago. We got you up and we had a lot of fun.
I did.
Yeah, well, we had a good time. It was Bart's got a lot of energy. Okay, so where are we, Paul? I guess we're coming from Bob Smith Toyota, right?
Yes, we
Locker
are.
Center, and I'll wake up in a minute. I'm just gonna look around and enjoy myself. Go ahead, Paul. You got it.
Let's do this Gib Gilbo song called Big Bayou in the key of E. 1 5 4 1. Oh, 1 2. Oh, 1 2. I took a long trip to the city. I was determined to get somewhere, and I spent all my hard-earned money that I saved to get me there. Big Bayou, where do you go? To the river running slow, down on the Gulf of Mexico. Big Bayou, carry me home. I took a guitar picking job in Memphis, and the people there treated me good. But my luck ran bad in Nashville, had to walk the streets of Hollywood. Big Bayou, where do you go? To the river running slow, down on the Gulf of Mexico. Big Bayou, carry me home. Well, Lord, I'm going home, where the fish jump in the air, and I won't have to have no money, 'cause I ain't going nowhere. Big Bayou, where do you go? To the river running slow, down on the Gulf of Mexico. Big Bayou, carry me home. Yeah, Big Bayou, where do you go? To the river running slow, to the Gulf of Mexico. Big Bayou, carry me home, Jimmy. That'll do.
Good job, Paul. And if you're watching, that was for you and Gib. We love you guys. So what's going on, man? I'm like lost for words this week for some. Usually I'm talking and jabbering, and now I'm like stuck. How's Ollie doing? Let's talk about the family for just 30 seconds.
Ollie's doing
And
very
the other
well.
kids.
He's
Who are
doing
the
great.
others?
There's Ollie and Isla.
Isla.
There's JP and Ethan back in Texas,
Oh man,
and then there's Juniper Jean in Yosemite.
you got them all over the place.
And I gotta remember it too.
Hey, Carmen.
That's a
What? Who's got what?
Carmen. Yeah, you got a new hat.
No, I've had this hat a long time. I just very seldom wear it.
Oh,
The hat looks good, Carmen.
Thank you.
is there a story
Thank you.
behind it?
Cowboy hats on a show like this, it just kind of fits. I don't know. This one doesn't fit that good. I think it's okay. Okay, so and let's see. Dan doesn't want to sing. Maybe I'll do Clayton Delaney.
You want to do that right now?
Well, I'll do something.
Do it.
Oh, you want? Oh, you want to do another one?
Yeah, I'll do another one.
I'd rather hear you sing than me. Go ahead.
I'll do one and then you do Clayton Delaney.
Okay.
Let's do we're gonna do Chisel and Stone. Key of D. You ran crying to the bedroom. I ran off to the bar. Another piece of heaven shot to hell. Those words we spoke in anger just tore my world apart. And I sat there feeling sorry for myself. Then that old man sat down beside me and he looked me in the eye. He said, son, I know just what you're going through. You ought to get down on your knees and thank your lucky stars that you got someone to come home to. You don't know about lonely or how long life can be till you've lived through the story that's been living in me. You don't know about sadness till you face life alone. You don't know about lonely till it's chiseled in stone. So I brought these pretty flowers, hoping you would understand. Sometimes a man is such a fool. Simple words of wisdom from the heart of that old man showed me I ain't nothing without you. You don't know about lonely or how long life can be till you've lived through the story that's been living in me. You don't know about sadness till it's chiseled in stone. He don't know about lonely till it's chiseled in stone.
That's just the way we rehearsed it.
Oh man,
Yeah, man.
isn't it nice to have a steel guitar when you do a song like
It
that?
is. You know what else is really nice is to have a second guitar. I always love playing with two guitar players. The rhythm and just everything it makes the band sound so much bigger. Roy, come on up. Don't trip over the fence. You can move it if you want to, sir. You got it. Man, you jumped out like you were a young kid.
You'll pay for that tomorrow. Don't you worry about it.
Yeah, you betcha.
Anyway, we're here at Bob Smith Toyota, and Roy, our good buddy, who's, I don't think he's missed a show in 2 years. Next month's going to be 2 years that we've been doing this thing. And Paul's been with me since day one. Palmer came along after Jerry McWhorter got tired of driving down from Ventura every day, every Sunday. And John, you're doing a great job, and thank you. I always liked your drumming, and now I get to work with you once a week, and I'm very happy about that.
Thank you.
Okay, if you believe that, then that's a good thing.
You moved
Now-
the show into my neighborhood. That's what you did.
Yeah. At least you're right down. Dan lives right down the street too,
Yeah,
both
right
of you
down the
guys.
street, yeah.
So that's cool. You know, poor Jerry was driving 70 miles one way. I mean, the man's a 140-mile trip every Sunday. Roy, I want to talk about that little thing on your guitar there, those palm pedals. Explain a little bit there.
Well,
Talk right into the mic.
yeah. I used to watch Al Bruno, our good old friend.
Oh, love it.
play those palm pedals. Of course, I can't play them like he did, but he inspired me to make a pair. So I went down to Joe Factor and bought a bunch of old airplane parts and turned it into a palm pedal.
Well, it looks great. And the quick story on that is there was a gentleman named Boomer Castleman who was quite a player and a good singer and a great guy. And he was around back in the late 60s, all through the 70s. We did a lot of gigs together. We were good friends. And he invented the palm pedal. And he, believe it or not, he had a Rosewood Telly, I think, before I had mine. He might have been one of the reasons I got this guitar. So I'm going back over like 52, 53 years ago. But anyway, when he invented the original palm pedal, the prototype had one on each string. There were like little fingers that stuck out. There were 6 of them. And he had them like different, just little different lengths and different heights. So the palm of your hand would get used to where they were, what they were. And he could hit notes. I mean, it would sound like notes coming from everywhere. Because he played that finger style with the pick and
Ain't gonna be the kind of
plus
notes
the
I
palm
make.
pedal. Unbelievable. Well, anyway, I believe the story goes that he made a deal with Bixby, who had the little vibrato pedal, and I believe they were the ones that distributed, and it became real popular to have just 2, which was the B string and the G string, and the others they never did, I don't think. But Boomer originally had one on every string. He passed away a few years ago, and I got a great James Burton, Clarence White, and Boomer Castleman story that I'll tell later. Right now, we're going to let Roy sing.
All right. Well, I'm gonna use it a little bit on the intro to.
Turn them up so we can hear this intro. I want to hear what you're doing. There you go. Now we can hear you.
But I think I can use them on the intro to run Fugitive.
Okay, well, kick it off. We'll follow you, sir.
Down every road, it's always one more city. I'm on the run, the highway is my home. I raised a lot of cane back in my younger days. While mama would always pay, my crops would bear. the law or spend my life in jail. And I'd like to settle down, but they won't let me. You must be a rolling stone. And down every road there's always one more city. I'm on the run, the highway is my home. But I can't afford the luxury of having the one I love come along. She will slow me down, they catch up with me. For he who travels fastest goes along. And I'd like to settle down, but they won't let me. You must be a rolling stone. And down every road was always one more city. The run, the way is my home. Yes, I'm on the run, the highway is my home.
Yeah, I like that palm pedal, man. That sounded like it. You got it.
Well, part of it.
Good stuff. Do one more.
Okay, Fire on the Mountain.
Okay, I'll follow you. I'm not sure about that, but we'll play along.
You gonna play that intro? A bandit from my Carolina home that dreamed about the West and started to blow. 6 long months on the dust-covered trail. They say heaven's happy, but so far it's been red. Fire on the mountain and lightning in the air. Rolling and hills, minutes waiting for me there. We're digging and sifting from 5 to 5, selling everything we found just to stay alive. Was free like a whiskey in the bars. Sinning was the big thing, Lord Satan was its star. girls were the evening treat. And big cartridges, bloodline colors of the street. And shot down for the sake of fun. Just to hear the noise of them pouring guns. Fire on the mountain and lightning in the air. Gold in their beers and it's waiting for me there. Now my widow, she waits by my grave. Tears flow free for her man she could not save. Shot down in cold blood by a gun that carries fame. All for a useless, no good, worthless claim. That there's fire on the mountain and lightning in the air. Gold in them hills and it's waiting for me there. Mountain and lightning in the air. Gold in them hills and it's waiting for me there. Waiting for me there. Waiting for me there.
You did just fine. How about a hand for Roy? Roy, thanks for coming up, man. I don't think he's missed a show in 2 years, so he earned the right to come up here and play with us. And not that anybody needs the right to do it, but I mean, you paid your dues, so we thank you, and you sounded great.
I appreciate it.
Well, we appreciate you. Thank
I
you.
appreciate you every week.
Thank you, buddy. Okay, now all you got to do is hop that fence one more time. My daughter, I said my wife, I meant my daughter Kim will help you. There you go. Take care of the artist.
Thank goodness we have a real construction crew here.
Paul, you're up. We're having fun. I hope you people are watching. Last week we had a week before last Easter. We had a good group. Yeah, I got a lot of hits. It was great. I'll do Clayton Delaney a little later. I want Paul. I want to hear Paul sing right now. Maybe next I'll do it.
Let's do, see if I can find it.
Take a minute.
Flowers While I'm Living in the key of G.
Hey, rock it.
Here's some words to think about. In this world today where we are living, some folks say the worst of us they can. But when we are dead and in our casket, they always slip some lilies in our hand. Well, won't you give more flowers while I'm living, and let me enjoy them while I can. Please don't wait till I'm ready to be buried, and then slip some lilies in my hand. This world is where we need our flowers, a kind word to help us get along. If you can't give me flowers while I'm living, please don't send them when I'm gone. Now won't you give me my flowers while I'm living, and let me enjoy them while I can. Please don't wait till I'm ready to be buried, and then slip some lilies in my hand. Won't you give me my flowers while I'm living, and let me enjoy them while I can. Please don't wait till I'm ready to be buried, and then slip some lilies in my hand. No, don't you try and slip some lilies in my hand.
That was kind of, I love having Paul on guitar. He's such a great bass player, but you know what? I love having you on guitar.
Thanks, Carmen.
Man, you step right up.
This could be the start of a whole new career
It
for
might
me.
be. It might be. Dan, what are you doing for the next couple of years? Do you want to play? This might be a new thing right here. Anyway, Clayton Delaney. One, two, three. I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. They said for the last 2 weeks he suffered and he cried, and it made a big impression on me. Although I was a barefoot kid, and they said he got religion at the end. I'm glad that he did. Now Clayton was the best guitar picker in our town. I thought he was a hero, used to follow Clayton around. And I often wondered why Clayton, who seemed so good to me, never took that guitar meter down in Tennessee. All right, Paul, do it like Clayton. Make Clayton proud. I guess if I'd admit it, old Paul taught me how to drink booze. I can see him half stoned just picking up the lovesick blues. Oh, I love it. When Clayton died, I made him a promise I was gonna carry on somehow, and I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. One more time, Paul, I want to hear you play. said he drank a lot and I could never understand. I had to catch up. And I knew he used to pick up in Ohio with a 5-piece band. Played to tell me, son, you better throw that old guitar away, 'cause there ain't no money in it. It'll lead us to an early grave. I remember the year Clean died. Nobody ever knew it, but I went up in the woods and I cried. I know there's a lot of big preachers, and they know a lot more than I do. But it could be that the good Lord likes a little picky timber. I remember the year Clean died. Hey, that was fun. I threw in a bunch of extra solos just so we can get to play a little.
Yeah, it's fun. Who wrote that song?
Tom T. Hall. Look him up, folks. He wrote a lot of great, like, kid songs and just great songs. He's a good storyteller. Old Dogs and Watermelon Wine, and there was all kinds of other things.
How I Got to Memphis.
Oh, did he write that one?
He did.
Oh, my, Paul, do you do that song?
I don't.
Oh, we have to learn that song.
Yeah.
Oh, please.
Have to learn the words.
That's a one. You know who does that great is Jimmy Harris. Jimmy Harris does it great. Now, you wanted me to talk about something. What was it?
How old your strings are?
Oh. Well, folks, if they sound old, I would say 2 years for a set of guitar strings is old. But I believe next month, if I make it that long, I have not broken a string, nor have I changed the string. Of course, the gigs haven't been 4 or 5 nights a week like they used to be either. We're doing every Sunday. But I've been doing quite a few nights like we all have, 2-3 nights a week here and there. But they just don't seem to be... And I think they're tuning up okay, close enough, so I just don't pay that much attention to it anyway. So, that was my old strings. I got my money out of that set. Ernie Ball. How do you beat it? Oh yeah, we did all that. Yeah, absolutely. All right, Paul.
All right, let's do Cowtown in the key of D Dog. Key of D in 151. A 1, 2, a 1. Come on along, and we'll go down to this place in Texas called Cowtown. You'll never be a stranger there. Everybody knows when you're around. Well, they'll greet you with a smile and a howdy, how you all? And in a little while, you'll get that Texas drawl. Their hats are white and the boots are brown. You'll just love this place called Cowtown. No matter where I may wander, no matter where I may roam, there's a place way down yonder. I'm going there to make it my home. Come on along, and we'll go down to this place in Texas called Cowtown. You'll never be a stranger there. Everybody knows when you're in town. Well, they'll greet you with a smile and a howdy, how you all? And in a little while, you'll get that Texas drawl. Their hats are white and their boots are brown. You'll just love this place called Cowtown. No matter where I may wander, no matter where I may roam, there's a place way down yonder. I'm going there to make it my home. Come on along, and we'll go down to this place in Texas called Cowtown. You'll never be a stranger there. Everybody knows when you're in town. Well, they'll greet you with a smile and a howdy, how you all. And in a little while, you'll get that Texas draw. Their hats are white and their boots are brown. You'll just love this place called Cowtown. You'll just love this place called Cowtown.
Let's just take a minute and see who's watching and listening. Anybody? I know Roy is because he's here. So, you know, I know we got him this week. He showed up and played the show with us. Who else we got, Kim? Anybody?
Yes, we do. Well, Susan's watching.
Of course.
And
Ann's watching this week. Ann, did you hear us? We did Big Bayou. We did Gibbs song. We love you, Ann.
Tom's out there. Brent Hunsacker.
You know him?
Benny Gilroy.
Justin's brother or something?
Oh, yeah, Hunsinger. Okay, yes.
Benny Gilroy. Or Gilroy.
I think I know him.
Okay.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching.
What are we doing over there? They got somebody. What else? Anything good?
Felicity.
Oh, hi. Give John our love. He's a great champion pool player. This guy's the real deal. Anyway.
Ted Barron.
Oh, Chad.
Oh, yeah.
Great player.
Ted, come up and see us sometime. Maybe you'll get up and do some playing with us.
And
What else?
Jay Williams.
Williams, I'm not sure.
God, I think I know that guy. Some of these, I know faces better than names. But anyway, all you guys that are watching, we love you. We appreciate it. Keep supporting the show. We've been doing this for almost 2 years. And Bart's got something going there. I'm not sure what, but we're going to find out.
Apparently, I'm a window blind.
We're using him. I love it.
You're the only one tall enough in the
We got the sun coming in a funny way, so our good friend Bart, one of our engineers, asked to please stand right here so you can block the sun.
I did this for many years for a living.
This, as great as this guy plays and sings and writes music and everything, we got him blocking the sun. That's a pretty good deal.
I need a bucket of live steam.
They're talking about the voice. That's great. Paul, want to do another one? I don't know. How much time we got? Well, we got 12 minutes. I might even sing another one. Who knows? Good.
Let's do Freeborn Man
Okay.
in G. 1, 2, 1, 2. Well, I was born in the Southland 20 some odd years ago. Ran away for the first time when I was 4 years old. I'm a freeborn man. My home's on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. I picked oranges down in Florida. I picked cotton in Alabama. I pick walnuts up in Norfolk. I pick a guitar when I can. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile railroad track. I got a gal in Cincinnati, I got a woman in San Antonio. Always loved the girl next door, but any place is home. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. With the world to the highway, and I put her back in my railroad track.
John Palmer on harmonica.
Yeah, I got me a worn out guitar, carrying an old tote sack. Pawned it about 300 times, but I always get it back. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Well, I know every road's a highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. Well, you may not like my appearance, you may not like my song, you may not like the way I talk, but you love the way I'm gone. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Well, I'm a huge highway, every foot of back, every mile of railroad track. Yeah, I know every inch of that highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track.
Yeah, man. How much time we got? We're almost done. 5 minutes? Well, gee, I hate to close the show. That'd be awful.
I would not be off with your show.
Yeah, but I like the good players to play. We're doing okay. You blocking the sun now? They switch places. I like it. There's a whole bunch of stuff, folks, going on behind the scenes. You have no idea how much work this is. We're just up here having fun. Those guys are scrambling back there to try to make us look good, and they do. We have a great show, a time doing this every week. We have a great show. We have a lot of good people that come up, like Dan and John's helping us, and Bot's been in and out of here all the time. We'll get him up again next week, maybe as soon, whenever. Roy, we'll have you back down the road here a little bit. Great job. Nice with the palm pedal thing you had going. Brought me back about 45 years. And so we're going to do this last song, and then we're going to go out and say goodnight. Okay, so what should I do? I can do Clayton Delaney again. Swing, I know, I'm just kidding. Don't do that. Swing and doors is good, huh? I do it just like Merle, don't I? Just Merle, I love you and forgive me. Okay. you say? We're gonna shuffle it up a little. 2, 1. This old smoke-filled bar, something I'm not used to. I gave up my home to keep you satisfied, and I just called to let you know I'll be living. It ain't much, but I feel welcome here inside. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashy neon sign. You stop by and see me anytime you want to. 'Cause thanks to you, I'm always here to close the time. You gotta call. I got everything I need to drive me crazy. And I got everything I need to lose my mind. The atmosphere in here is just right for heartaches. Play it, Paul. I love it. Thanks to you, I'm always here till closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. You stop by, you come and see me anytime you want to. Thanks to you, I'm always here to close in time. Take it, Jimmy! I love it. Well, folks, thanks a lot for showing up and enjoying the show. I hope you did. We did. We had a lot of fun doing it. Roy, thank you so much. After 2 years, you made it up the hill. You came to give us a little love, and we appreciate it. Kim, thank you. You did a great job. My grandson, Brandon. Bob, thanks for coming. In fact, we got him doing some camera work right now, and I know he's good at it. So, our engineer, we're going to have you back up here soon, buddy. Okay, so, Palmer, I'll see you next Sunday. I love you. Maybe I'll see you Tuesday night at that club. Dan, great job. Thank you so much. Paul, my new guitar buddy here, my twin brother.
That was fun, man.
Oh, man, we'll do it again soon. Jimmy, thank you. You played great today. We had fun. Okay, God bless you. We're going out and start. We're going to end the song? Okay, one more time.